Hello friends, welcome to our channel Celebrating Life. Today I will be sharing exclusive collection of Kanjivaram sarees with you. This is the part 2 of the video of exclusive sarees. Now let's move on to the sarees. This is the mustard colored saree. It is a very pretty sunshine saree. The exclusive part is in the border. It has floral motifs and it has a rose creeper embossed all over it. Body has green color motifs and it is a double colored shade. It will look very pretty when worn for Muhurtam. Now let's see the pallu of this saree. It has a pink colored pallu. The color combination is very rare and exclusive. I hope you like the saree. We'll now move on to the next saree. This is the next saree. It is a very pretty magenta colored saree. It has very pretty 3D weaving all over it. I hope it is visible in the video. It has very big rose motifs all over the saree in a rising pattern. This is the latest kind of saree. You can see the rising pattern. The flowers have started here and it goes on rising to the other side of the saree, which comes to the shoulder part. And the pallu has a strong kaddi sort of a pattern with temple motifs. It's a very exclusive saree and it's one of the designer pieces, exclusively a masterpiece. Now let's move to the next saree. The next saree is the one which most of the girls love, and the reason is this chocolate. It's a favorite of all the girls, I suppose. It's one of the rarest colors available in Kanchivaram sarees. The whole body is made of chocolate color, almost like dairy milk. It has checkered pattern and even the checks is made with creeper like design with rose and lily pattern all over the saree. The border is very pretty and it's a very rare combination of light green with chocolate brown. I will be taking this saree from my mom for sure. This is the pallu of the saree. It has grand weaving work all over it. And the kuchu of the saree is also quite a highlight. Let me know if you like this saree in the comment box. Now let's move on to the next saree. This is a very beautiful and very expensive saree. It has full jari work. And in this saree, we'll go the opposite way. First, I will show you the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. It has same kind of weaving all over it. It will look beautiful and bright. And the main attraction is the body of this saree. The upper half is orange and the lower half is pink. It's a very beautiful saree. It has very intricate weaving all over it. I hope it's seen in the video. This is the saree which my mother brought for my sister's wedding. Now let's move on to the next saree. Now this is again a dark tone saree. It is a combination of pink and black. The highlight of this saree is the colorful border. It has very unique peacock motifs. It has so many colors: green, blue, ink blue and yellow in the border. And now I will show you the pallu. The pallu also has very intricate pattern all over it. I hope you like this saree. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this is one of the designer sarees. It is a very rare saree. Now let's start with the pallu of the saree. The pallu of the saree is dual colored. It is a very rare combination of orangish pink and green. And the body of this saree has very intricate weaving. And there are gold leaf buttas all over this saree. This is one of the grand party wear Kanjivaram sarees. Now let's move to the next saree. This is an exclusive green colored saree which has almost all shades of green in it. The first half of the body has parrot green. The next one has bottle green and purple mixed border. It has a darker shade of green, purple and leaf green. The border is very unique and very beautiful, and it is the highlight of this saree. The first part of the border has big motifs of leaves. The next portion has peacock motifs. And the other one has elephant motifs moving in the forest. If you like the saree collection, please stay on till the end to see the most exclusive sarees. Now this is the pallu portion, which is a very bright pink, which has chakra and peacock motif. This is a very beautiful saree. I hope you all like this saree. Now let's move on to the next saree. This is a very beautiful saree which really has an intricate weaving. It's a half and half saree. First, it's a biscuit cream portion which is checkered all over and has leaf, flower and rhombus motif in it. This is the first half of the saree. And the second half of the saree is very grand with maroon and black motifs and checkered designs all over it. The pallu is in black and it has rudraksha motifs within the checkered designs and leaf designs also. This is one of the most exclusive sarees and it looks pretty to be worn on all occasions. Next saree. This is again a lovely saree with a purple colored hue all over it. But the most exclusive part about it is this intricate temple sort of a weaving. There is only this much of green portion in the pallu and another patch which comes to the shoulder. And when you see, this is the portion which comes to the pleats. This is a very beautiful saree which we bought in Angadi Silks. For prices and other information, please leave your comments in the comment box. I will surely answer to it. Now let's move on to the next saree. This one is a gold colored saree with all over checkered pattern in a dark hue. This is the very grand pallu. The pallu has checkered and rectangular patterns, flower and paisley motifs all over it. Now let's see the body. This is the body. Similar to the previous saree, this also has the pink color portion which comes for the pleats. This is the pleat portion. It looks very grand and pretty when you wear it. Please subscribe to my channel to get more notifications about more such videos. Now let's see the next saree. This is a pure Kanjivaram organza saree. It's a very pretty orange color with a pink border. This is again on the Vanashringara concept. If you closely observe, it is a checkered pattern with animal weavings all over it, like lion, peacock, elephant, deer, and a Gandaberunda motif on it. It looks very bright when you wear this saree. And now this is a very grand pallu. It's a big 1 meter pallu. There is again very beautiful weaving of a lion hunting on one side and peacocks, horse and elephants on the other side. This saree is truly a masterpiece. I hope you like this saree. This is the last saree in this video. There are many more sarees to be shown. Please let me know if you would like to see more sarees. This is the darkest blue shade available. It's a very exclusive and a very grand as well as expensive saree. The highlight of the saree is the chakra motifs, which has makara and Gandaberunda weaved intricately within it. Let's come to the border. It is a 15-inch border which has chakra and temple motifs in it. It is pure silk, pure jari. The saree would look beautiful on any Indian skin tone. Now this is the pallu of this saree. It has wave patterns, temple patterns and paisley engraved all over it. This is one of my favorites. Please like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.